Okay, so we look at Newton's laws. We have a question here which says a 5 kg object is to be given an upward acceleration. So they are given an upward acceleration of 0.30 meters per second squared by a rope which is pulling straight upwards. So this rope is pulling straight upwards. What must be the tension in the rope? Now we need to apply Newton's second law of motion in order to answer this question properly. But before we go anywhere, let us draw a free body diagram because it's quite important in every physics problem. If you are required to draw a free body diagram, do so. Alright, so we can just say with it, this is our object, right? So we can say the weight of the object is always pointing downwards, right? So let's say the force due to the weight. Then upwards here we have the tension. Let's say the force due to the tension. Okay, that's what we have. Then the next one is so here we have the mass sign. So here we have the mass, which is 5 kg. So these are the two forces that we have acting on this object here. So we have the weight of the object acting downwards, and we also have the tension in the rope. So that now, according to Newton's second law of motion, which is test 30, the summation of forces, okay, is equal to 0, which at the same time that is equal to mass times acceleration. So this is where we are going to base our calculation on. But we need to know this weight. What is weight? All right, we know that weight, so we can say Fw is just mass times gravity, and the mass has been given is 5. Gravity usually we use 9.8. It's a 9.81, which is usually the approximate one. And please get your calculator. For me, it's giving me 49.1 Newton. So this is a weight. Now, since we know one force, we can find another force using this formula. So how do we apply that? All right, so remember that the motion is upwards. So we are going to take this as our positive motion. That is, the forces, the sum of forces in the y, all right, they should be equal to mass times acceleration in the in the y-axis. That's what we are going to do here. Now, summation of forces here, we've got Ft and and F W. All right, now look here. If we take the upward as as positive, which is the upward motion as positive, that means Ft is positive and the Fw is negative. That means we are saying Ft minus Fw is equal to MAY. Acceleration has been given already, which is this one here. Now we just have to assign Ft, we don't know, but we know Fw as 49.1. Mass is 5 kg. Acceleration is 0.3. Now the only thing is now for us to punch this on the calculator. Okay, we have Ft is equal to, so let's get ourselves a calculator first. So we have 5, 0.3. So we have, this one goes the other side there, so we have 49.1 plus 0, plus 1.5. We add Ft is giving me 50.6 newtons. And there you go. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on TikTok as well as Facebook.